Hello everyone. Today I'm going to play one of my favorite pieces. It's called Happy Day, and this piece belongs to the C group of the grade 1 piano exams, ABRSM, and the composer is Ian King, a wonderful piece to practice and play. Now make sure you place your hands on a G position, 1 octave lower from middle C. This is your middle C. And let me see, where is my crocodile? So my crocodile is on the C sharp, so you know where we are. And the right hand is it's the first G after middle C. Look, your thumb on G, your pinky on D. Ready? Your first note is a B, and here we go. 1, 2. Subito piano. That's it.